In this video, I'll be showing you how to get your own web hosting from KnownHost. So just go to knownhost.com and you'll arrive at their website. Here you can see the options they have, all the way from shared web hosting to your very own dedicated server. If you're just starting out, I recommend you go for a shared web hosting. It's their most affordable plan. So just click see details and you'll see their options, all the way from basic shared hosting to a professional shared hosting. If you're just starting out, you would have gotten just one domain, so getting a basic shared hosting is the best option for you. So just click order now. Okay, now we are at the order page. So on the left hand side, you can see the term and the price. When you click on it, you have multiple options. We have 1 month, 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years. I don't recommend going for the 1 month option because it's too short. At least go for the 1 year. And if you think you're going to keep the domain and the hosting longer, then you can go for the 2 or 3 years option. So let's just go with the 1 year for now. If you notice, there's two prices, the $80.55 and the $102. The $80 is because it's going at the discounted price since this is your first time getting a web hosting with KnownHost. The 102 is based on the original price of the plan. Now, under configurable options, you want to put in the domain name that you purchased. So let's say mine was DamianPlannings.com. For backups, you can leave it as it is. For patchment security, you can leave it as it is. And then when you go to the payment method, you can choose between ATH credit card and PayPal. Next, they want you to register or log in to your KnownHost account. If you do not have a KnownHost account, then you just register and you can continue. Once you have registered or logged in, you will see something like this. So just click on I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions and then click continue. Okay, now you're in the checkout page. They want you to put in the details of your credit card and to finalize payment. So just put in the details and then click pay and complete order, and then you will have your web hosting. So once you've made the payment, you will receive a welcome email from knownhost.com where they will share with you your cPanel URL, your username and password, and also your name server's details, which you'll be using when you want to link your domain to your web hosting.